Okay, Joe, here is our 3D renderings for the bedroom set, starting off with the nightstands. In the quote, obviously, I've included two of these, walnut, and the drawer boxes are dovetail. They're solid wood, half-inch thick sides, and the bottoms are 3/8 thick with tandem full extension soft close guides on them. The inside is finished. The only thing that is not going to be walnut is the bottom, because you will literally not see it. The drawer guides will cover the bottom of that up, and it's just a waste of material to put that down there. Just the bottom deck would just be an MDF or a shop grade plywood. The sides are walnut. The top of this is would be edge banded, and this is all going to be all the wall ends, and the doors and drawers are all MDF core and edge banded. It's all sheet material, so it's stable and flat. Our grain is running horizontal, and underneath your concrete top, the sides and the top of this drawer will just be let down 1/8 of an inch. An 1/8 of an inch reveal here, and this is 36 wide, so your drawer front will be 36 wide as well. And then these drawers are 8 inches tall and 7 7/8 tall. And then our solid wood base to mimic what we had off of the website, and stained with the sample that you dropped off. 3 coats of lacquer. The grain on the sides, let's go to fill mode here, would be running horizontal. And then this would be solid, or this would be maple here, because you're a woodworker, so you know about these things. But you might just see a little bit of this here at an angle. So this would just be a walnut piece as well. And then these joints are all biscuited together, so we won't have any wood plugs, or it'll be visible and clean. And then the bottom, the base, will have an 1/8 inch reveal too. The front, it's mitered. It'll be as wide as the nightstand, but there'll be an 1/8 inch reveal there as well. Okay, moving on to, let's back out of this and go to the dresser. Our dresser here, the box, and there's a limitation with the cabinet program. I can't build those bases, those mitered bases, but it looks like I'm assuming about 5 inches tall, and that would be the same for all 4 pieces. The bases would be the same throughout. 5 inches tall, obviously a little bit different depth. The dresser, I was able to keep all the same dimensions. Back to the nightstand, those drawer boxes are going to be 18 inches deep, and the nightstands themselves are 20 inches deep. On the dresser, your wife had highlighted, well, it's highlighted here on these plans that it is 22 inches deep. With the drawer guides, I need to make that, if we want a 21-inch deep box, I need to make this 23 inches deep. I'm sure that's fine. And then the top height of the countertop would be 45, and then this is 37.5. Solid wood, drawer boxes, all tandem soft close. Same description as the nightstand. Grains running horizontal on the fronts, vertical on the sides. The top is solid, the bottom is just a shop grade plywood. And the armoire. So I think I got this right. I know you were talking about putting a TV in here, so I have there's a fixed shelf in here. So if you want some more shelving or compartments in here, please let me know. And again, same description. So this is the size and scale. The picture that you had, it was 30 inches wide, which looks good. This is, I think it would look better if it's a little narrower, just a little wide looking to me. We can still pull it off and it'll look fine, but just the 30-inch wide unit on the website just looks a little bit more appealing to me. And obviously, to correct that, we would maybe go a little bit taller. And then on the site, we're kind of taking a hybrid of these two. Obviously, we're not going to have a concrete top on this, but we would do a soffit about 2 inches thick, or the width of that concrete, of walnut, just to give it the same effect as a concrete top. Again, wood drawer boxes. These are extremely wide drawer boxes, so we'll have to talk about what we can do with this. I don't even know if I can. I think the widest we can get a drawer box is 42. I'll see on that. Obviously, I've got this full width, or we just split this. A 50-inch wide drawer is just massive. So same description. The grain on this is running vertical. On the drawers, I think it'd look best to go horizontal, and then the wall ends straight up. Same base again. Inside is all finished, and this shelf is fixed. This would be a fixed shelf, and then I would put 1.5 inch front on this, and a cleat on the back just to reinforce it if you're going to put a TV on there, because that's a big span for a 3/4 inch piece. And the back of this would be finished. The nightstands, we did the same thing. So the backs are 1/2 inch thick. They're dadoed in. And obviously they're finished on the inside of this. The dresser and the nightstands, we would have those finished as well, and finished on the back. So that's where we're at. Let me know what you think. If you want to make any tweaks or changes, let me know and I can adjust it. Thank you.